For decades, ERP systems have captured what happened, recording transactions, managing operations, storing data. But growing organizations need more than a view of yesterday. They face rising complexity, labor constraints, and the pressure to move faster than ever before. What if your ERP platform could do more than record the past and help you shape what comes next? Acumatica is transforming the ERP solution from a system of record into a system of intelligence, giving you greater visibility, better decisions, improved productivity, streamlined operations, and strategic outcomes that move the business forward. Our approach to artificial intelligence follows a clear progression, one that mirrors how organizations naturally build trust in AI over time. First, AI advises, surfacing patterns, flagging anomalies, and revealing opportunities before they affect your business. Then it assists, helping your people answer questions faster, draft content more easily, and navigate complex processes with confidence. Automation has always been at the core of our platform, and that's not changing. What is changing is how smart that automation can be. Now AI takes it further, handling routine tasks with speed, consistency, and accuracy, so your teams can focus on the work that actually requires them. Whether it's AP document recognition, expense capture, or document file tagging, automation lets your business scale without adding manual effort. As trust in AI grows, it will orchestrate. You create the guardrails for coordinating unsupervised end-to-end workflows across people, systems, and departments to achieve strategic objectives. Run reconciliations, flag discrepancies, and close periods. Surface only the exceptions that need a decision from you. This is Acumatica's AI strategy, a practical path from insight to action, delivering measurable value at every stage of your journey, and built on a foundation of trust and security.